Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the Crafty Crocheter, and today I thought I would take y'all with me on my most recent shopping trip. So we're going to travel back in time. So so I went to 3 different stores in a neighboring city. I first went to Michael's, then I went to Walmart, and then I went to Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to take you with me on my trip, and then I'm going to have another video which is going to be a part 2 for the actual yarn haul. So this is part 1. So alright, so come with me and then let's go do some yarn shopping. Hi everyone, Crafty Crocheter. So I'm outside my local Michael's, so I'm going to go inside. I've actually never been to this Michael's before. This is another local Michael's about 20 minutes from where I live. So I'm going to go inside and see what they have available, and maybe I'll strike some good deals. So I'll let you know what I get. All right, there's the local Michael's out where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna step inside and see what kind of deals that I can strike this morning. And look, oh wow, they got some good deals on some yarn and at $6.99. Got some Karen. See, oh, they got Big Twist. Oh, they got some Big Twist. Yeah, get a couple green ones, a couple red. Oh, they got the sparkly one too, Twinkle. And here are some of their crocheting supplies. Oh, they got some made with love yarn. Of course, I have plenty. Knitting needles, Brim crochet hooks. It's got loops and threads. They got their own knitting needles and crochet hooks. Some macrame stuff, some polyfill. Alright, and I guess this is where it starts with the yarn section. Got some Karen 1-pounders. Got some Red Heart. Oh, I got more yarn down this way. Loops and threads here, and they got some more yarn down this way. Wow, a lot more yarn than at the other Michael's I've been to. Got patents for $6.99. Man, I could go insanely broke in here. Got some bulky weight yarns, some Burnett. They got some of their they have a lot more yarn here than they do at the other location I usually go to. I got some of their cinnamon swirl cakes. I got some more blossom. Oh, and there's that yarn I got at the one in New York. This was in the bin. This was in the clearance bin at the one in New York, but they want double the price here. They got chunky cakes yarn. Oh, I've never seen this one before. This is their cotton painterly cakes yarn. Oh, they got some more yarn over here too. Some more Karen 1-pounders. Oh, they got some of the Lion brand cotton, 24/7 cotton. $6.99, not terrible. Got their loops and threads. Wow. Yeah, I could easily go broke in here. I almost bypassed this kiosk. Because of their Red Heart Greeny Square yarn, Flower Power yarn. Okay, I think that's all I have for yarn. Alright, so I'm outside my local Walmart. I've been to this Walmart a couple times before, but I never really went for yarn shopping, so I'm going to step inside and see what deals they have. Alright, here's their yarn section, and this looks more expensive than the one near me. Some embroidery supplies, here's some the yarns. They're ooh, bitty stripes. I'm sure I already have this color. Yeah, which I already do, so I don't get any more of those. Ooh, these stripes. I'm trying to think if I bought this one or not. Okay, Rainbow Mist, I've used this before. I got more up here too. Yeah, they carry a lot of red heart here, so, which I do like working with. Jumbo stripes. They got their Premier puzzle yarns. They got their Lion Brand Woolies yarn. Of course, they got their Lion Brand Mandala yarns. Then they got the Bernat blanket yarns. And it looks like down here they have their Peaches and Cream cotton yarn. Actually, it's a good bargain for $1.97 for a little skein. Same up here. So we got this color. Quiet Dahlia. And sometimes they'll have some yarns on the end kiosks, and they got Bernat yarn. And I think that is it for this yarn section. Oh, they got base stripes down here too. Oh, I don't have this color. Yeah, I'm gonna grab 2 of these. So a lot more yarns here than they do at the other Walmarts I've been to in my neighborhood. There's our crochet hooks and our knit needles. Yeah, of course, I always have their more yarns on the top shelf, or sometimes I will reach up and grab if I see something I like. All right, and this is by the Walmart's yarn section. All right, guys, so I'm outside my local Hobby Lobby. I've never been to this Hobby Lobby before, so hopefully I can score some good deals, and hopefully I can see some clearance on some dye lot yarns. So I'm gonna step inside and see what I can find. All right, so it looks like I kind of hit the mother load with this, because there's their big yarns in the end kiosk, and they got their standard yarns, their yarn bees. They got some don't know what I would do with that, but their cotton yarns. No wait, these are their little starter kit yarns, sorry. And there's the different types of yarn. I love this yarn brand. Wow. So I'm trying to see if I can see any Lion Brand or any there's their DK yarns here. And they got more yarns on the other side. I haven't gone to the other side yet, so I'll be over there shortly. Oh, we got this sugar wheel cotton. 30% off.
Person to register 5, please. Person to register 5.
Their cotton yarns. And they got their crochet hooks over here. Some more, and they got their chunky weight yarn over here. There's their bulky yarns.
Person to register, please. Ron, here, register.
And they got some more of their scratchy yarns here. And they got their crochet threads over here. Embroidery stuff on this side, and there's some more chunky yarns over here. Then there's their crochet hooks and knit needles and other accessories. There's a bulky yarn. Of course, I don't know what I would do with that. They got their True Colors yarn. Yeah, I'm not seeing any other brands besides their own brand. I'm not seeing any Red Heart or Lion Brand or Bernat or Premier. What's this thing here? This is their chunky yarns. Ooh, this one's pretty. Look at that. That one too. Hope everyone enjoyed that shopping trip video as much fun as I had making it. Hopefully everyone's day's going well today. Be kind to each other, help each other out, spread love, not hate. Grab those crochet hooks, grab that yarn, and create something beautiful today. And let's yarn bomb this place. We gotta spread love and positivity throughout the universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you are notified when new videos come out. And I am also an affiliate for Premier Yarns and Yarnspirations. I will leave those links in the description below, so check those out. And any orders that you make as a result of those links will put a little money in my pocket as a result of the commissions, so which will help the channel grow. And so that way I will be on my way to become monetized. So, so on that note, take care of yourself and each other.